Alright guys, I just showed up at a lawn I'm finna take care of. I took care of it last year for a customer, and they got in contact with me to come out again, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm here to help the customer again. Let's take a look at it right quick. Okay, here we go. It's this one right here. As you can see, that's the way the front is looking. It's got some weeds in it and all, just not looking good. And just looking over here on this here side over here, that's not looking good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a few minutes and see if I can get in here and get this all taken care of. See if I can make it look good again for the customer. I got to well, let's see. I gotta do the front and the back. So I'm gonna see if I can work quick on getting this one here all taken care of. All right, stay tuned. Hello everyone, this is Curtis with Weed Whacker Lawn Care, and it's another day today. I'm headed to go and take care of a lawn that I was working on yesterday evening, and I managed to get the front all taken care of, and night came up on me, and I wasn't able to finish. So I wasn't able to finish due to the fact that it was dark and it had a lot of mosquitoes, and I was trying to finish it up, and I couldn't finish it up due to all those mosquitoes. They were tearing me up, so I was like, I got to get out of here. So that's what I did. I got out of there, got all my gear, and got loaded up, and got out of there. So right now, as I was saying, that's where I'm headed to go back and see if I can get it all finished up. I was yesterday I was using my I had my 32-inch Skag on the back, and I had my Echo trimmer with me, and also I had my bagger with me, and it was kind of quick to use that equipment, but today I decided I didn't want to load all that up today, so I'm using Ryobi again, because it was just going to be quicker for me to put the Ryobi on the back of the truck and have a little Ryobi trimmer battery, and I'm just using it just to clean up the backyard. So I said, well, I don't need to go and load all that stuff up and put the gas in there and all of that. And I was like, yeah. I said, I only need about, let's see what I got. Well, I got 2 batteries for the mower and 2 batteries for the trimmer, and that's all I need. It's not going to take me that long to clean this up. Oh well, also I have my backpack blower, but I didn't pick up no gas for that, so hopefully I still have a little gas in it, but hopefully I won't have to use it, because I'm just doing the back, and it's not that much really to blow off back there. I hope. Never know what kind of situation I might get caught in, but hopefully I got enough equipment with me to get that all taken care of. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna see if I can get in there, get that all cleaned up, and then I may go across town to do something else. And depending, well, let me see what time. What is it? It's 79 degrees out here. It's warm. It's getting hot. So next month it's gonna get hotter, and things are really gonna start picking up. Matter of fact, I had I still have my web page up, but I don't know, had a, I don't know, it was like a one-time mowing, and somebody went out there and they booked it for April. I'm like, April? I mean, it's like a whole month, 2 months ahead of time. I'm like, wow. So they would, I think like April 1st, somewhere in there. I was like, what? Nobody normally do that, but whatever. When they do stuff like that, you know, I'm like, well, even when April come, I'll go in there and I'll call them. I said, well, I know that you booked earlier, and do you still want, lawn service? Like, I'm not trying to take on any lawns, but that just, what happened was, I had everything closed on there. Everything was closed out on the website. I don't know how that came about, but I had to call them about that, and we got it all, got that situation all cleared up, because I'm like, no, I'm not supposed to be taking on anymore. So that should have been on a block, but it wasn't. So I said, well, I'll go on and take care of that one since it slipped through, but no memorial slipped through. It wasn't my fault, because it was supposed to be on the block, but it was in the web hosting, and I don't know what was going on with it, but oh well. That was just one of those things. Things happen, so I'll just have to take care of that. But as I'm driving, it looks like everything is still brown, and it's just not a lot going on right now. Which I'm not looking for a lot to go on. I'm working on some other stuff, so hopefully I can get that all finished up. Let me turn this in. Let me turn the AC down, man. It's hot, guys. I mean, this thing got hot. I had to put the air conditioner back on. Last week it was cold, then it was warm, then it was cold, and then it was warm, then it was cold again. So I don't know. Hopefully, things will stay warm for a little while. Anyway, I think I made it. I think I made it to where I need to be for right now. So I'm gonna see if I can finish this other up. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm finna see if I can get this one here all cleaned up. Get the back. Let's take a look at the front. See, this is the way the front looked from yesterday after working on it. Had a lot of leaves in the flower beds, and just on that side, it just getting that all cleaned up there. And we look right here. I was able to get this portion cleaned up yesterday evening. So now I got the mower out. So now this is what's left. So I got to get all of this here all cleaned up. Back here, as you can see, this right here, all of that, and all on this here side here. Got to do a little bit over there. So yeah, we got all the way over on that side. So yep, got that. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. So it's gonna take a few minutes. So got the Ryobi out, so we're gonna get busy. But I gotta get my trimmer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the trimmer. I'm gonna get in there and see if I can get that out trimmer away from the fence and the foundation, all of that. So that's gonna take a little time. So I'm gonna spend a few minutes over here Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I want to share with you my accomplishment by using the Ryobi equipment for his back, for his bagging and cleaning up. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, here's a Ryobi. Here's my trimmer, and we're headed to the back here. I'm finna to blow everything off, and then I'm gonna get out of here. But I just want to share this a little bit with you. This is the way everything turned out. As you can see right here, I trimmed some of those weeds down in the flower bed, and all the way around, got it trimmed up there and some in there. So just did a little light cleaning in it, just to make it look some better. A lot of times, you know, if they want a thorough cleaning, then I have to come in and just rake the whole bed out and clean up everything out of there. But I just did a little bit of blowing and just getting some of that up out of there. But we can see this is where everything turned out. So was able to just get it mowed up with the Ryobi. So I got it all on this here side, as you can see right there. Got all that all the way around the foundation, so looks pretty clean there for using that Ryobi more for his bagging up everything and all. So as you can see, it's still kind of green and brown, so it's not really growing that much. It's dry, and like right now, as I stated in another video, it's time to put out some weed and feed to get it ready for the summer. So I'm gonna blow. I got a little area right here, guys. I'm gonna take my blower and blow that off right there, and got a little bit more right over there. So before I put the mower up, I see where I missed a little spot right in there. So that's where you have to always eyeball and double check your work, cause that's just an oversight, and that happens, you know, due to pushing where the sun was shining and all. So I missed right in here. You can see this right in here, that little weed right in there. So I'm gonna take the mower and I'm gonna go back over that. So those are just little oversights, and that's where you always have to check your work before putting all your equipment up. So just double check everything that you're doing when you're doing it, and you will give a customer a good, satisfied job by double checking your work. So that's what I'm doing. So far, I think I got it looking good. So I'm gonna touch that back up, guys. I'm gonna blow it all off. Blow this here a little bit off the sidewalk and driveway, and then I'm gonna be getting out of here. So it just takes a little time sometimes when you're doing it. Not in a rush. So always do a thorough check to make sure I get everything looking good before I leave. I just double check it, walk back over and everything, and eyeball, make sure that I didn't miss anything. So I've been doing it for so long. I always do that. But anyway, guys, hey, like I said, I'm finna finish this. I just wanted to share this a little bit with y'all before I get out of here. So I'm gonna wrap it up and probably do something else here. But stay tuned. I got some more stuff to do, and I'll share that a little bit with you as I keep my journey going. All right, bye for now.